There, I finally got it seated. Sweet. How's that looking? It's looking kind of copacetic, isn't it? Now we can go back with that. Ooh, baby. Oh yeah, I got it. Sweet. There. And it is about the machines, you know. The name, Jebb Adams, yeah, that can go with the machines. But, you know, I don't need to be front and center in front of the camera because that's the place for the machines, not me. I'm the caretaker here. I pay the bills. And you know what? I have a great time doing it. So look at that. That one was messy. There still is a bit of mess. We didn't do a restoration, but we did clean it because we touched it. And that is back in position. And now we have the other one to go on Denny. Cool. Yeah, man. It's coming along. We're getting her done, slowly but surely. But you know, like I'm over 65. I was 65 last August, 2020. So you know, I'm not as spry as I used to be. I like being retired. I like doing this. You know, I mean, especially with all this COVID stuff going on. But I would have been doing this regardless. You know. So, what am I doing here? I need to get lined up. So there, my friends, we have done 2 machines. Maybe if I can get the screw in. Wow, right to the last move. Both done. So the restoration will continue on and off on this one, and we'll put this one back on the shelf for now. We'll use it again, I'm sure, and I've got some of its parts already, so especially its motor. But thank you for your support, subscribing and liking and commenting and hitting the notifications bell. It's appreciated. Ciao, amigos.